Hi students, in this part we see about functional group. So before entering the topic, small discussion about that valency and covalent bonding. So you know that the valency of the carbon is 4, so it can able to form a 4 covalent bonds. Like that hydrogen, the valency of hydrogen is 1, so it is able to form a 1 covalent bond. Oxygen, the valency of oxygen is 2, so it can able to form a 2 covalent bond or 1 double bond, isn't it? So one double bond or it may form 2 single bond. So in this way it attain its valency or it satisfy its valency. Halogen is a family name. That member of the family is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. That all the members contain the valency 1, so it may able to form a 1 covalent bond. Let's enter to our topic, functional group. You know that alkane and alkynes are hydrocarbons. It made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. These are all called parental compound because numerous number of organic compounds are synthesized from these parental compounds. So, alkene and alkynes are called parental hydrocarbon or parental compound. How that numerous number of organic compound is formed from parental compound? You know that hydrocarbons, carbon chain is surrounded by hydrogen. These hydrogen is replaced by heteroatoms or a group of atoms to form a new compound. So in this way it form a numerous organic compound. So the word heteroatom is denoted by except carbon and hydrogen, because you know that hydrocarbons are made up of carbon and hydrogen only. Other than carbon and hydrogen is called as heteroatoms. Okay. So in a hydrocarbon chain, that hydrogen is replaced by heteroatom or a group of atom that to form a new compound. That new compound having that different chemical property compared in its parental compound. So who give the new property to the compound? That group or heteroatom gives the specific property to the compound. Okay, so functional group is nothing but it is a heteroatom or group of atoms. It gives the specific properties to the compound. If the group of atom means it at least contain one heteroatoms. You know that heteroatom means except carbon and hydrogen, especially in oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and halogens. So in our chapter we see about only 5 functional group only. Okay, alcohol, that it simply represented by OH. That alcohol is represented by OH. So this is the linking place. In this place through it linked with hydrocarbon chain. Okay. So it contain this alcohol group contain which heteroatom? Oxygen. Yes, that oxygen is the heteroatom. And next, aldehyde. So it is the structure of aldehyde. So it contain only one linking side. Through this side it form a bond with hydrocarbon chain. It simply represented by CHO. Okay. It contain oxygen as a heteroatom. Okay. And next, ketone. This is the structure of ketone. C surrounded by 2 single bond and it connected by oxygen by double bond. It contains 2 linking sides. Through these 2 linking sides it connected with hydrocarbon chains. It simply represented by single bond CO single bond. The heteroatom of the ketone is O. Okay. And next, carboxylic acid. This is the structure of carboxylic acid. It contains only one linking side. Through this side, it connected with hydrocarbon chain. It's simply represented by single bond COOH. And halogen, we know that halogen valency is 1. So, it forms a single bond with hydrocarbon chain. Okay. Next, we see about how these functional group is linked in the hydrocarbon chain. The functional groups are linked the hydrocarbon chain by replacing of hydrogen atoms. Okay. Example 1. I take the hydrocarbon, that means methane. It made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So in this methane, one functional group is linked to the methane by replacing of this hydrogen. So I take the functional group alcohol. This group is replacing the hydrogen atom. Now the new compound CH3OH is formed. That name is methanol. That methanol is differ from the methane. Okay. So like that, I take the second example, hydrocarbon, that means that name ethane. I take the functional group chlorine. How this chlorine is linked to that ethane? So by replacing hydrogen. Okay. So this chlorine is replacing the hydrogen atom, any one hydrogen of the group. Okay. So it form a chloroethane. That chloroethane is differ from ethane. So functional group give the specific properties to the new compound. Okay. Next we see about how we represent the functional group name in a compound name. If your functional group is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid means we denote that indicating word as suffix. Okay. Alcohol, that structure it denoted by OH, that indicating word is OL. Okay. So it added as the suffix of the name, compound name. And aldehyde, it denoted by CHO, that indicating word is AL, that is aldehyde. So CHO, that indicating word for that aldehyde is AL. So this is a AL is the suffix word after naming. And next ketone, that indicating word is ONE, added as the suffix for name. Next carboxylic acid, that indicating word is OICACID, oic acid, it is the suffix. So in that your functional group is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid means that indicating word is added as the suffix of the name. And halogens. If the functional group contain any of the halogen, that means chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, any of the halogen, it added as the prefix of the name. Okay. So for example, the halogen chlorine, the functional group is chlorine means denoted by the word chloro. Functional group fluorine means it denoted by the word fluoro. Functional group bromine means it denoted by the word bromo. Iodine means iodo. So all the indicating words are added as the prefix of the name. Okay. Now naming of the organic compound. So two ways naming is there, except halogen and halogens. Except halogen means this formula is suitable for aldehyde, alcohol, ketone and carboxylic acid. So in our chapter We replacing the hydrogen atom in alkanes chains only. Alkane hydrocarbon chain only. So I taken that name is equal to alkane plus suffix word. So why I cancelling the E means after writing the alkane word, for example methane is there means here that functional group is alcohol means that suffix word is OL. Okay. After, how we connect these two words by deleting that E and we add methane plus OL, methanol. Okay. So in this way we give the name for the organic compound. This rule is suitable for except halogens. That means aldehyde, alcohol, ketone and carboxylic acid. So why I here denoted as alkane? Because in our chapter we discussed alkanes only. So alkanes plus suffix word. So after deleting E in alkanes, after the deleting that E in alkanes, we add the suffix word halogens. So in the halogen name is equal to prefix plus a alkane. Name of the alkane. Prefix we know that chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo. That alkane name. For example, that alkane is methane means our functional group is bromo means bromo plus alkane. That means bromo plus methane. Bromo methane. So in this way we give the name for organic compounds.